Hello and welcome to this video solution of Numerade. So you have to solve this equation, right? So here you have got 4 times of root over of you have got 3m square minus 15, that is equal to 4, right? Now what you can do is you can simply cancel out 4, right, from either sides. Or I'm not sure if it's a fourth root of it. No, I think it's a 4 times of that. So you can simply cancel out on either side. So that gives you 3m square minus 15, that's equal to 1. Now you have to take squares on both sides, taking